How to log in Quantum Mutual Fund account. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Quantum Mutual Fund account login. Now, tap on the very first link you see there and you will be further led to the login portal of Quantum. Go ahead and enter your PAN or user ID. Just in case, if you have forgotten your user ID, tap on the Forgot User ID option and recover your user ID. And if you want to unlock your account, tap on the Unlock Account option. Once you have entered your user ID or PAN, tap on the Continue button. You will further be asked to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and tap on Continue again. And with this, you will be successfully logged in to Quantum Mutual Fund account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.